You might think you're getting a free ride with your favorite apps. However, have you ever wondered how these apps actually make money? Behind the scenes, a complex system is at play, generating revenue. Free apps often rely on ads to bring in revenue, it's a common practice. Data markets also play a significant role in the app economy, analysis shows. Retention loops are designed to keep users engaged and subscribed to services. Subscriptions are a key revenue stream for many popular streaming apps, it seems. Attention economics is a concept that explains how apps capture user attention. Apps can collect user data and sell it to third-party companies for profit. Monthly bills and calendar reminders can add up for users over time. Phone app permission screens can be complex and confusing to navigate. By understanding these systems, users can make more informed decisions about their app use. Free apps often rely on ads to generate revenue, displayed as banners or videos. Data markets play a crucial role in this ecosystem, buying and selling user information. Apps collect user data, including location, search history, and device details, constantly. Retention loops are designed to keep users engaged, using tactics like rewards and notifications. Subscriptions offer an alternative revenue stream, with exclusive content and perks. Attention economics comes into play, as apps compete for user attention and screen time. Users may unknowingly contribute to this system by granting permissions and watching ads. Apps can track user behavior, creating detailed profiles for advertisers and data brokers. Subscription settings can be complex, with auto-renewal and cancellation policies varying. Canceling a subscription may not necessarily stop data collection, as terms and conditions apply. Monthly bills and calendar reminders can help users track their subscription expenses carefully. By understanding these hidden systems, users can make informed decisions about their app use wisely. Retention loops are designed to keep users engaged with free apps constantly. Subscriptions often hide in plain sight, with auto-renewal options enabled by default. Users may not even notice the recurring charges on their monthly bills. Canceling a subscription can be a tedious process, requiring several steps. A person might need to navigate through settings and menus to cancel a subscription. Phone app subscription settings can be particularly tricky to find and manage. Streaming apps use retention loops to keep users watching and listening continuously. Mobile apps often collect user data, which is then sold to data markets anonymously. Attention economics plays a significant role in how free apps generate revenue. App developers carefully craft their products to maximize user engagement and retention. By understanding these hidden systems, users can make more informed decisions about app use. Ultimately, awareness of these tactics can help users take control of their digital lives. Free apps rely on attention economics to generate revenue streams. Users unwittingly trade attention for free services and content access. Apps utilize retention loops to keep users engaged and active. Subscription models offer premium features and ad-free experiences. Data markets thrive on user information and behavioral patterns. Apps collect data through permissions and tracking user activity. Targeted ads leverage user data to increase conversion rates. Users often overlook monthly subscription bills and charges. Canceling subscriptions can be a cumbersome and time-consuming process. Understanding app permissions is crucial for data protection. Analyzing phone app settings reveals hidden data collection practices. By recognizing these tactics, users can make informed app choices. As we navigate the app economy, concerns arise about individual freedom. Free services often rely on ads, data markets, and retention loops to generate revenue. Subscriptions and attention economics play a significant role in the app business model. Users may unknowingly contribute to data collection by engaging with free apps. the line between convenience and exploitation becomes increasingly blurred. Analysis suggests that hidden systems can influence user behavior and decision-making. The impact of the app economy on society is a complex and multifaceted issue. By examining phone app settings, users can better understand data collection practices. Canceling subscriptions and adjusting app permissions can help mitigate data exploitation. The accumulation of monthly bills and calendar reminders can be overwhelming. Late-night laptop sessions and dark phone screens reveal the pervasive nature of apps. The home office and marketing analytics desk symbolize the intersection of technology and commerce. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.